In this video, I will show you how to disable comments on all new videos on YouTube. Go to www.youtube.com. First log in if you are not logged. Click on the profile icon. This icon is located in the very top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Click Settings. It is the second to last option in the left menu. Then tap Community tab. Tap defaults the page to the Community section. Locate the section titled Comments on your channel. Click here and select Disable Comments from the drop-down menu. Then click Save. This button is located in the very top right corner of the page. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.